In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email MailerLite. First, go to the MailerLite sign-in page and log in. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option and select your Google account to continue. Once you land on the dashboard, open Automations. Here, create a new automation to start a fresh workflow. From the presets, pick Simple Welcome Email, then select the template to load the workflow canvas. Next, choose the trigger that will start this automation. A popular choice is Joins Groups. Select the specific subscriber group that should receive your welcome message, such as new newsletter signups or customers. This ensures only the right people enter the flow. Add the email step to the workflow, then configure its details. Give the email an internal name so you can recognize it later in reports. Write a clear, engaging subject line that sets expectations, and update the sender email to the address your audience knows and trusts. Add a short pre-header that complements the subject. This is the small preview text many inboxes show next to the subject. You can personalize the subject or greeting with merge tags, like a first name, but keep it natural and avoid spammy phrases or excessive punctuation. Now design the message. Click Design Email, then go to All Templates. You can search for a template you like or start from scratch. If you prefer a ready-made layout, search for a welcome email template and choose the one that fits your brand. Click Choose to open the editor. Make your necessary edits. Swap in your logo, adjust colors and fonts to match your branding, tailor the headline, and add a short, friendly introduction that thanks people for joining. Include one clear call to action like reading a Getting Started guide or visiting your shop. Keep the copy concise, add relevant links, and check that images have alt text. Make sure your footer is complete with the required details for compliance, and keep your from name consistent with what subscribers expect. If you used a template, refine the layout blocks. If you started from scratch, use the drag and drop elements to build a clean, scannable structure. When your content looks good on both desktop and mobile previews, click Done Editing. Back on the workflow screen, click Save to store your settings. Before you go live, you can test the automation to confirm the trigger works and the email renders correctly in your inbox. When everything looks right, activate the automation. From this point on, anyone who meets your trigger, such as joining the selected group, will automatically receive your welcome email. And that's it. You've created a simple, effective welcome email in MailerLite that greets new subscribers the moment they sign up.